Hello class, welcome back to our second session. And for the second session, like what I've said in our first session, we are going to continue our lesson in Treehouse 3. So everyone look at the whiteboard. In here is our second lesson. So first lesson everyone, we talk about get the clothes, right? This is our first lesson from the first session. Now in our second session, we are going to talk about our second lesson for today. So our second lesson is from page 110. Use the machine, page 110 with track 60. So before we proceed to our audio listening, let's talk about our 5 new words. We have number 1, turn on. Number 2, push. Number 3, pull. Number 4, turn. Number 5, turn off. Okay, everyone? So let's read these new 5 words a little bit slower and let's spell all together. Number 1, turn on. Turn on. Turn. Turn on. Number 2, push. 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 Number 3, pull. 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 Number 4, turn. 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 Number 5, turn off. Turn off. Turn off. So these are our new 5 vocabulary words. So let's read one more time and teacher will show you what are these pictures. Okay? So number 1, turn on. Turn on. So for example like this. Next, number 2 is push. Push. So teacher will show you an example of push. Like this. Okay. Next, number 3, pull. Pull. Teacher will show you our example of pull. Next, number 4, turn. Turn. So teacher will show you again the example of this word. Next, for our number 5, turn off. Turn off. Teacher will show you again the example of this word. Alright everyone, so these are our new 5 words. Don't forget to read and spell, practice at home. Okay everyone? So teacher will show you the video and let's dance all together. But before that everyone, open your book on page 110. So take out your course book everyone. Here is our course book, you know already. And open your book on page 110. So this is our 110, page 110. And our second lesson for today. Use the machine. Use the machine. So this one have an audio track. Teacher will give you a video track that you need to follow because you are going to dance along with those kids, Anna and Louie. So before that, let's read these new 5 words all together. First, turn on. Turn on. Turn on the machine. Turn on the machine. Next, push. Push. Push the button. Push the button. Next, number 3. Pull. Pull. Pull the lever. Pull the lever. Next, for our number 4, turn. Turn. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Next, for our last picture, we have turn off. Turn off. Turn off the machine. Turn off the machine. Now, you are going to listen, and after listening that one, you need to dance with Anna and Louie. Okay, everyone? Are you ready? Great. Let's start.
Let's chant. Use the machine. We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Turn on the machine. Turn on the machine. Turn on the machine.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Push the button. Push the button. Push the button.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Pull the lever. Pull the lever. Pull the lever.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Turn the handle. Turn the handle. Turn the handle.
We need to make the candy. What should we do?
Turn off the machine. Turn off the machine. Turn off the machine.
Alright, class, so that is our dance with Anna and Louie. Did you have fun, everyone? Alright, so don't forget that our new 5 vocabulary words. We have turn on, push, pull, turn, and turn off. So before teacher say goodbye, don't forget to finish your classwork and also your homework and send back your answers to teacher's personal telegram. Before teacher say goodbye, everyone, teacher would like to remind you that tomorrow is our progress test 2. So do not forget to study our lesson from previous unit. And also, we are going to have a short video tomorrow. You are going to watch that one before our progress test too. So good luck, everyone, and I hope that you can answer all those questions. So see you again tomorrow, everyone. Goodbye.